Well, hey guys, welcome to a What's Up Wednesday here at the Hershey RV Show. Hey guys, we're going to take a picture of the Montana High Country, or take a video, picture, I just did a picture, 397 FB. There's your floor plan, you want to see it, pretty cool. Up front part, that had our curiosity. We looked over some stuff yesterday and then seeing it here in person, so that's what we're really looking at. Really great. They got 75 gallons fresh water, 98 gallons waste, 137 gallons gray. So 43 feet long, and I don't see the weight on there, so check that out. Here we go. There's your kitchen. We'll just look around that. We'll come back to that in a minute because she really wants you to see this. This is the front of the RV. What? There's no master bedroom here? What is going on? It's a bunkhouse with a desk. Check that out. You can have multiple kids here if you're homeschooling, side by side working on their work. If you work from home, you have 3 monitors like I do. I set up my 3 monitors here. I can close the door when I'm done. I'm out of the way. I could even attach them to the desk if I wanted. Never have to fold them down or whatever. You know, or if you're doing your YouTube channel, stuff like that, you do your editing here, all that stuff. TV. You can do storage up here. There's connections if your kids are up there. You got to be a small child to be on the top because that's kind of tight. I couldn't get up there if I tried. But there are outlets and USB and stuff. Under storage for shoes and various other things. Clothes. Let's not forget clothes. Open the door here, and you got a hanging closet. Also washer and dryer hookup, so you can put your washer and dryer in here. Really cool. Really nice. And then you have your bathroom. And then you have what I like to call a hey, get out of here toilet. So you're not exposed. So if somebody starts to open the door on you, you can slam the door back shut and say, hey, get out of here. So that's what I like. I don't like that my butts can be seen from 2 different rooms toilets, which a lot of places have. So it's really nice. We'll go down here in the kitchen. Check this out. They have a residential fridge in here. I think you can also get a 12-volt fridge. Have a motion detected light up there in the pantry. Take a look at the pantry there, babe.
Yeah. Pantry's adjustable shelving inside the pantry, which I love, because we all know some shelves need to be taller than others. So that's really nice. Plus you have the bottom for, you know, maybe your bottled water, your canned pop, whatever down there. And then you have your shelf here. Lots of shelf space in this RV. They even made a point to make a little room here because this is your control panel here, so you still made use of this space here. This is really nice on like this area here too. It has a plug, so if you want to put something in here, this is
charge your phones maybe.
Well, yeah, that's true too. Perfect coffee station. Everybody knows I love my coffee, so perfect coffee station. That's just a pipe under there. I guess you probably could put a little bit of stuff in there. But this is what I love. So one of my big pet peeves in RV kitchens are the cabinets are not deep enough. So like I don't have anywhere to put my crock pot or my air fryer or different things like that. This, if you look at these, are really nice and deep. And you have one on the bottom. So you can put your crock pot, your air fryer, you know, your fryer, whatever in there. There's just lots of deep space in there.
Wow.
And it's that way on both sides of the stove. So I love that part of it because for me, I like my kitchen gadgets. So I have plenty of room for that. You also have plenty of room under your sink. You have a place here for your your garbage can. You also have nice drawers here. You've got plenty of drawer space here. These are all nice. And they're nice the wood is decent. It's not like that. Some of them, have that cheapest kind of wood. This looks like it's actual wood, so that's nice.
And look at this. We got under cabinet lighting. Look at that. Woohoo!
And
nice storage under the sink.
Discovered is it has a hidden dog dish. I didn't even see this. Check this out.
It has a hidden dog dish. I wish she had a sign to show her where it's at.
Yeah, but I don't know.
It's so hidden she can't find it.
I don't know where it's at.
It pulls out.
Well, I think it's supposed to pull out, but oh, there we go. Check that out. So that's nice for those of us who have furry family members.
Where do I store my dog dishes? Right underneath my cabinet. Look at that.
Actually, I love that because then you put it away when they're done and you're not tripping over it like I do all the time.
What else is a main problem for you in kitchens?
Countertop space.
Countertop space and what else?
Outlets. You're right, outlets. And this one...
So let's count them.
You have one here. You have 2, 3, which again, lots of room for coffee pots and air fryers. 4, 5, 6. I think that's the most outlets I have counted. Oh, 7 if you want to count this over here. 8.
Oh, this was more service.
Oh, okay. So 7. So yeah, so that's the most outlets I've seen in a kitchen RV, I think ever. I've never
and they're all in the right places where you actually would use them.
Well, you can
but I mean,
use them.
This is a nice sized kitchen for not having a designated kitchen space, a confined living area.
Yeah.
And you have a really decent amount of counter space. And then if that's not enough, I'll get over here and we can show you what else is here.
I'm super excited about this too because we don't like dinettes because they just collect a lot of junk, and we took dinette out of our current RV. But occasionally you want to eat at a table. If you're eating a pork chop, you need to cut it or whatever. We use TV trays and they're fine. But this, check it out.
The arm slides out. It just slides out.
Ah, okay. Is this one out on this one too?
No, you got to slide it out.
Oh.
And there you go.
Awesome. Because if you decide you want to eat, you can eat here. If you have people over, you can use your food. Because right now, I don't know about you, but I don't like my food sitting right next to my sink. And this kind of separates it all, so it's not right on top of your sink. It also gives you extra room for if you need to cut things up or set things or just eat at it. And it's actually close to your sofa, which is kind of nice. Somebody pointed out that they could actually put their food here and stay in their seat and watch TV all at the same time and not really ever have to move, which if that's your thing, then you got that too. But I think this is a great idea, a great use of space. It also comes with 4 chairs. And 2 of the chairs are up in the bedroom. So they're nice chairs. They have cushions on them. It's not like a folding metal chair. So those are really nice too. So those go with this fold up, which is very, very nice. I think this is a great option that they did.
Comes with a small solar package. You had a 4-burner stove. Nice microwave.
Is it a convection microwave?
I don't think so. I think it's just a microwave.
Yeah, it's just a microwave. That's okay. Because you got a decent stove
and a nice
here. You got a nice oven. Yeah.
And then you have
really nice oven.
Knife rack there. Hang your knives on the side.
Place for your knives, yeah. And there's lots of deep cabinet space up here as well. So there is no shortage of cabinet space in this unit at all.
Nice barn door for your bedroom.
Love the barn door. Just makes it feel homey. Then the bedroom, I love.
Place for your shoes to go so she doesn't trip over them when she's going out the door, because somebody like me might throw them in front of the door.
And you have, we'll open this one because it's easier to get to. You have a hanging rack up here.
Nice.
And then you
Both
have
sides.
a regular cabinet down here, which you could put shelves in. You could put stacking trays in there, or however you want to make use of that. You have 6 drawers here, which, pretty typical for your RV drawers. TV hook up there. But I love the bed. I feel like the paneling in the back is very homey. You have little shelves above you with each side has electrical outlets. One thing I've noticed today in going through some of the RVs is there are not outlets on both sides of the bed, which I don't understand. Because especially if you have a CPAC or something like that.
Yeah, there's actually outlets here on the top that you could charge from. There's no USB outlets, but there's outlets up there. And then there's another outlet down here beside
Down
the bed.
there, yeah. So there's lots of room
So
for
that's
that.
nice.
I really like that. Another barn door going to the rear bathroom. So this is 2 full baths in this unit. You come in here, awesome spacious shower. This is
Nice master bath.
really, really nice shower. Very
That's
tall, which my husband is always checking out. Very particular about the height of the shower.
I like to be able to stand and not have to duck, and I don't want to bump my elbows and everything.
I also like the fact that it's an all-in-one shower, and you have a shelf here. But I like the all-in-one because you don't have to worry about the water getting in the cracks. Some of the RVs are pieced together, and I really like the all-in-one. I think it's a nice.
Fill in the wall.
You have your glass door, and then it's 2 sinks. My only complaint or downside to this is that this second sink, I don't know. Let me know if you agree or not, but I feel like the faucet should face this way. Don't you think? Because you're standing here washing your hands. Otherwise, you're like standing back here in the corner. You got to kind of go around the toilet and stuff. Not totally thrilled about this particular design, but it is nice to have 2 sinks in a bathroom. Sometimes you need 2 sinks. And I like that you have 2 mirrors because sometimes when you're getting ready, it's nice to have one person. I would have to be back here. I think this might be a little tight for you.
Yeah, a little bit.
I probably have to be on this side. The other thing is, I love the shelf, but to look in the mirror, I literally have to stand on my tippy toes.
I don't have that problem.
You do not, but for those who are height deficient like me, I'm only 5'2", I would have to have a step stool. So this, not thrilled about this design, but it doesn't take away from the rest of the RV. I mean, you have to have give and take on RVs. You're not going to get everything you want, everything perfect, and I would be willing to settle for the bathroom the way it is. It's still a beautiful bathroom. Plus, the front bedroom really sells me on this.
Very nice unit.
Very, very nice unit. Great deep closets. All the things after living full-time in an RV for a year, you really learn what's important to you. And those are important features to me.
And one other thing I wanted to cover before we stop this is a thing you probably saw a while ago. You're probably going, what is that annoying thing about me? And that is this unit actually has a ceiling fan in the living room, and it's really nice.
You can really feel the airflow.
So that's really nice. It's a 12-volt ceiling fan. So if you like those kinds of things, this is Montana High Country. Can't remember what model it was, but it's pretty nice. So, well, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll, what are we going to do?
We will see you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.